your drywall, your phone, anything and everything that they can get those beaks on, they are going to destroy in a matter of seconds. And they can also live for a really long time too. That means they're not unheard of for parrots the size of Sean, Lizard, and Tango. So it's definitely a lifelong commitment, and that's why we always recommend coming to places like Disney's Animal Kingdom to get your parrot fix and keeping your home parrot-free. Now, if you are just joining us or just walking by, this is Being Encounters. My favorite part hasn't even happened yet, so definitely stick around and keep your phones and cameras out too in this open area that I have right here in front of you. That's the best place to be because you're going to have birds flying right over the top of your head. Keep your phones and cameras out. We always recommend slow bird safety of all the things on the spot. Now, Blizzard here, like I mentioned, he lives right in front of macaw, and this is actually a critically endangered species out in the wild. There's fewer than 600 individuals left out in the wild, but we actually look at another species, it's called the blue-throated macaw, and they're super special to us because they're actually the rarest species of macaw left out in the wild today. And the number might be surprising to a lot of you, but there's actually fewer than 300 individuals out in the wild of Bolivia where they're native. That's it. That's a very low number, and that's due to things like the illegal pet trade and habitat loss. But it's not all bad news for them because people have started to notice, have started to take some caring action out there. And we actually work with an organization that's called the World Parrot Club, and they are leaders in macaw conservation. They are breeding and releasing that blue-throated macaw out into the wild, and hopefully they'll meet up with that wild population out there so that we can help rise the number of that species up so that we can see size that look a little something like this.
Thank you for joining us for Wings Encounters. Remember,
I got that on video.
we can help you share new encyclopedias.
We should. What kind of birds are they called?
They're macaws.
What?
Macaw. Enjoy the rest of your adventures here.
I can call it macaw birds arrive to Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Macaws or parrots or whatever.
This is the end of the vlog, guys. We only got one parrot up here. So we're gonna end the video here, guys. So peace out.